Welcome to the Tennessee Tech University Counseling Center Digital Workshop Series. We hope you find the series to be helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact the Counseling Center at 372-3331. Digital Table of Contents. I'd like to take this time to give you an overview of what's included in the Digital Workshop Series. The Well Student. The Well Student Workshop outlines how to have healthy balance, positive relationships, manage stress, and evaluate your own physical, mental, and emotional health. Keeping yourself and your classroom safe. This workshop is designed for faculty and staff. This workshop offers tips to keep your classroom safe, prepare emergency plans. The workshop also outlines behavioral warning signs and suggestions for addressing safety concerns. Suicide Prevention Booster. This booster workshop is designed for those individuals who have completed Question, Persuade, Refer suicide prevention training. Anxiety and Depression. This digital workshop outlines signs and symptoms of anxiety and depression, as well as provide resource information. Tobacco and e-cigs. This workshop outlines the dangers of use and how to quit. Stress management. What is stress and how do you cope? This workshop offers insight into coping strategies for stress management. Time management. This workshop offers steps for time management that will assist you in being a successful student. Mental and emotional well-being. We are all dealing with something. This workshop explores life events that impact our mental and emotional well-being and how to reach out for help. This digital workshop series has been brought to you by the Tennessee Tech University Counseling Center and Paperclip Communications. For more information, or if you have questions, contact the Counseling Center at 372-3331. Thank you.